If you want to remove breaths from audio, I suggest using Adobe Audition. In my experience, most of the popular tutorials on YouTube don't give me the results I want and distort the audio way too much. So today I'm going to show you 2 methods of cleaning up audio that you probably haven't seen yet and are actually good in my opinion. As you can hear, this audio clip has lots of breaths. This is an example of a lot of breaths. So to remove these, just select the breath, go to Effects, Autoheal. Now your breath should be gone. If not, you can also try applying this effect multiple times or lower the volume a bit as well. If you proceed with this method, I recommend setting a shortcut for it. You can do that by going to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts. That way you can do this with a press of a button. I actually really like this manual method, but it can be very time consuming. So if you're editing a longer audio track, I have another option for you. Select everything, go to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, Dynamics. The thing we're looking for here is autogate option. You can disable everything else. I won't go over all of these settings, so just feel free to copy mine. The only thing that will be different for every audio track is the threshold. You need to look at what is the loudest part of your breath. Mine is around -33. So just to be safe, I'll set it to -32 decibels. You always want to go a little higher. Press apply and all of your breaths should be removed. This is an example of a lot of breaths. But as with all bulk editing tricks, be sure to double check if anything else got affected. I find this the most reliable method for me, but it can still mess things up and make your audio choppy. So just be safe and always double check how your audio sounds at the end. That's it for this video. I suggest you watch this video about audio and video synchronization next.